Hi, Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw pizza and soda, so let's get started. To draw this very yummy and cute combo, let's first start by drawing the crust on our pizza. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve about this wide, and then I'm just going to come right across to draw the top of my crust. So just a big wide curve all the way across to say about right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and round it off again, just like the other side, and connect. So just one small slice. There, so we have our crust in. Then from there, I'm going to come about right here, just come in a little bit in here, and I'm just going to draw an angle line towards the center. So I'm just going to find my center, and I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. From there, it's just a little bit easier for me to figure out where I'm going with this angle. So I'm just going to draw towards that dot, just approximate, and then about right here, I'll just round it off a little bit and do the same thing on this side. And connect right there for our slice of pizza. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this pizza to life. So about right in this area, kind of in the center, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle, come right across and draw another circle. Give it a little highlight and fill it in. Same thing here. There. And then we'll come above the eye, just draw a soft curve, and then a big smile right in the center. And cap it off. And then let's make this a pepperoni pizza, of course, right? That's the most popular, so let's put in some pepperoni. So here and there, just draw some circles. One here, perhaps, maybe here. And we'll just randomly put some, whatever space you have. And let's see, one over here. So this is part of my cute food art series that was inspired by some super cute plushes that I saw from Target during Christmas. So I got the pizza here, I got the hot dog, and I had a bag of chips, right? So hopefully you love those other videos just as much as this one. So now that we have our pizza in, let's, I thought it'd be really cute to just draw a soda next to it to make it a combo. So if you want to do that, let's come next to it and about right, just really about right here. I'm just going to draw a little line. This is going to be the beginning of our lid on our soda. So I'm just going to go straight across to say about right here. Come down. So it's very simple, straight on cup of soda. So I got a straight line right there, straight little rectangle, and then we're going to come up and draw another level. Go straight across. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come in right here. We're just going to draw two angle lines. So let's work on this side first, and I'm just going to bring this down all the way down to our pizza, so about right here, and same thing over here. So now I'll just try to match it as best as possible. About right there, and then connect at the bottom with a soft curve. There. And then of course we need a straw, right? So let's come right to the center, and I'll come about right here. And draw two angle lines, and then I'll round this part off for where it bends and come out. Bend it and come out, and then connect. And then right here where it bends, you can add some details if you like. Just add some lines right there. And of course, let's bring our soda to life too. So let's come right here. Give myself a point, come right across. About right there, so I know where I'm going with this curve. And go across. It's the same thing about right here and here. There. And then let's put some eyes in. So a little bit off. Okay, so now let's put some eyes in. So I'll come about right here and just draw 2 big circles. And since they're much bigger, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes, of course. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you love pizza, definitely let me know in the comments below what's your favorite kind of pizza. For me, it would definitely be like the Hawaiian style with pineapple. I know, pineapple. And mushroom and Canadian bacon. Yum, right? Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, let's come above each eye. Just draw a soft curve. And then for our mouth, let's come right here in the center. And we're going to curve and then draw a tongue. Comes right back in for yum. And let's see here. Okay, so then now let's have them holding hands, right, to bring them together. So on our soda, let's say about right here. And for our pizza, about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line, a curve to connect them. And then right about here in the center area, I'll just thicken it up to make it look like hands. So 2 of them, to make them look like hands. And look a little bit bigger. And then on this side for our pizza, come about right here. And we're just gonna have our hand come down and thicken it up. And so on the soda, on this side, about right here, just kind of going out. Nice and simple. And of course, I almost forgot, let's add a heart. I'll add it right here on the crust and on the soda right here. To make it my Draw So Cute pizza and soda combo. I really hope you loved how this turned out and I made this fun and easy for you to draw along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.